What is up, my butter biscuits? So in today's video, I have a haul style video for you. However, this is going to be interactive because I really need your help on which order to use these products in, because this is so confusing to me. I'm so used to using Polish Choice, which is actually a little bit more of a high-end skincare brand. It's actually a really, really good brand. However, I keep reading amazing things about The Ordinary, so I wanted to give it a shot. But I am so confused in which order to use the products. I'm so confused by them. I can't even pronounce the names. When you guys were telling me, I actually spoke about this on a live video. You guys were telling me which ones to use. I couldn't even pronounce the name of the product reading it from the chat section. But I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and pick them up, and hopefully you guys can tell me on this video on how to use them. Just in case you guys did not know, my main skincare concerns are a little bit of acne on my forehead, as well as fine lines and wrinkles, and then my redness. My redness is really bad. I do have makeup on right now, obviously, so it's not showing. So I hope I purchased the right products. If you guys do have any other recommendations from The Ordinary, feel free to let me know that in the comment section. However, more so, please let me know in which order to use these products, because I do feel like that's actually crucial when it comes to a skincare regimen. But I just don't have a clue on which order to use these products in, or if I should even be using them all 6 together. So y'all can school me on this. If you guys are not familiar with The Ordinary, I will read the product name to you guys, which has the ingredient, as well as tell you guys the description of it, so that way you can hopefully show me how to use this, because I'm so lost. So I was like, let me just jump on camera, make a video, have it like a haul, but as well as let it be a little interactive, so you guys can teach me on how to use this. Because normally with my skincare, I use like a cleanser, an exfoliant, like a moisturizer, a mask, a serum, and that's about it. I don't really go this far into depth. These products I've actually never even heard of before, besides hyaluronic acid, y'all. I know hyaluronic acid, but that's about it. The rest I'm like, what? It's a whole nother language to me. I'm just way too used to Polish Choice, like 1 2 3 4, and I'm like, okay, cool, just do that in that order, you know. Anyway, so we'll go into that in today's video. Before we do, I know I've been having a lot of makeup content recently, but y'all asked for it, so I have a lot more actually, because I finally found the e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette. So I'll be doing a review on this pretty soon. I'm actually really excited for that, because that's my first e.l.f. Eyeshadow palette. I've never tried one before, as well as I'm super excited for this. I actually got the Raw Beauty Kristi Pure palette. I was so excited because if you guys did not watch my video, I was like, did I get it? Did I not get it? They charged my card, but I never got an order confirmation. It actually came super fast. However, y'all are going to be really excited, okay? Because they made a mistake and they actually charged my card twice. So I was like, what happened? I contacted customer service, and then they ended up saying, oh, you know what? We charged you twice. We have 2 shipments going out to you. So I got 2 of these. I was like, they were super nice. They were like, you guys, you can send it back if you want to, and we'll refund you. And I was like, no, I'm just going to keep it and do a giveaway. So luckily for you guys, I will be doing a giveaway of the Raw Beauty Kristi Pure palette. I will be doing 2 reviews on this, because I want to do a separate video for the front as well as the back, because y'all know I like to focus on one thing at a time. I can't focus on 2, so I just thought, you know what, I'm gonna do 2 different ones, as well as I have my Pat McGrath Divine Rose review coming soon. I'm so excited. There's a whole lot of eyeshadow palettes. So anyways, I just want to let you guys know about that, give you guys a little update on my little makeup schedule I have going on here. Anyways, y'all, if you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, so that way you guys get notified when I upload a new video. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, because I would really appreciate that. Let's go ahead and get into this, because I want to start using these products, but I need your help first. So let's get into it. All right, so the first product I'm going to talk about actually came broken. I ordered these from Ulta, and they delivered them all in a sleeve rather than a box. And look, y'all, I'm all for saving the environment. However, I don't think a glass bottle should come in a sleeve, because this will happen. It's literally dripping. I don't know if you guys can see that drip right there. It's going to drip on my desk. But this is the Niacinamide. I hope I said that right. Y'all know I cannot read. I cannot say these big old words. Like, I've never even heard of this before. Niacinamide. 10% plus zinc 1%. This is the high strength vitamin, mineral, and blemish formula. So I'm assuming that I use this obviously in my blemish areas, which will be my forehead, but y'all let me know in which order to use them, because like I said, I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and read the details from the Ulta site, because like I said, just in case you guys are not familiar with The Ordinary, maybe you guys will know about the product ingredient, so you can tell me in which order to use them in. This is the niacinamide 10% plus 1% zinc from The Ordinary. Is rich in niacinamide and zinc. PCA reduces signs of congestion while balancing visible sebum activity. Don't even know what sebum is. Niacinamide has also been shown to offer brightening benefits. Oh, I do got some dark spots, y'all, so that'll be good. So it says benefits. Helps to reduce the sign of congestion and visible sebum activity. pH 5.50 and 6.50. Y'all, I always see pH balance on the top or the side of a bottle, like a bottle of water or whatever, and I'm like, I don't even know what pH is. Like, I literally am so lost when it comes to things like this. Yes, I am a makeup artist. However, skincare is a whole different thing to me. I don't know anything about it. And obviously I want my skin to be good. So I want you guys to school me on this because I'm so lost. And what I really like about these products is that one's actually only $5.90 for a whole ounce. So that's pretty good. I'm going to go into the next product right here, which is the 100% organic cold pressed rose hip seed oil. Someone on my live video did mention that this is good for my redness. Like I said in every single video, please let me know in which order to use these products because I'm so lost. That's the whole point of this video. Just list it out 1, 2, 3, and 4 so that way I know. So this says daily support formula for all skin types. High purity, sustainability source, organic cold pressed rose hip seed oil. And let me go ahead and read you guys the description from the Ulta website, which by the way, you guys, you can also order this from Sephora. I just ordered it from Ulta because it was sold out of a couple products actually on Sephora. So this says 100% cold pressed rose hip seed oil from The Ordinary, which is rich in provitamin A and has been shown to reduce signs of aging while providing benefits for skin hydration and barrier function support. I'm telling you, this is a whole nother language to me. When I read this, I'm like, y'all, I don't know about any of this terminology, any of this wording. I'm like, what? I need somebody to like dumb it down for me because I'm so lost. Benefits: replenishes lost moisture, maintain healthy looking skin, and provide enhanced barrier support. Cruelty free and vegan, does not contain alcohol, blah, blah, blah. So I think somebody had told me that this rose hip seed oil would help with my redness, but it doesn't say anything about redness. So y'all can let me know about that. It does say on the side, supports healthy skin. So yeah, school me on all of this, please, because I need it. The next product, which I heard was one of the best products. I seen this all over Twitter. I guess people were calling it like a blood mask because it's red. But this is the AHA 30% plus BHA 2% Peeling Solution 10-minute exfoliating facial mask. So this one I'm really confused about because I had read to like be very careful with this. I guess it's really strong, so I'm a little nervous to use this because my skin is more so on the sensitive side. So on the side of the bottle, it does say sunburn alert too, which I'm like, y'all, oh my gosh, I like to be at the beach when it's open, so let's see about that. It says visibly targets texture, how do I I can't even read textural irregularities, my reading is so bad, I'm sorry, y'all. Irregularities, lackluster tone, which I do have texture problems on the side of my forehead. It is so bumpy right there, and I don't even know why. So maybe that'll help. So once again, I'm going to go ahead and read the not directions, but like the little about me section, I guess you can call it, on the Ulta website. So it says AHA 30% and BHA 2%. Peeling Solution from The Ordinary offers deeper exfoliation to help find signs of pore congestion. Everything says pore congestion. And improve skin radiance. The formula also improves the appearance of skin texture and reduces the look of fine lines. I feel like I need that, but I am scared because I'm like, oh, is it going to burn my skin? I don't know. It says targets why can I not read that? Textural irregularities, signs of congestion, uneven skin tone, and signs of aging. pH 3.5 to 3.7. So you see what I'm saying? Like reading the whole description section of this, and I did read it on Sephora too. I'm just like so lost with this. Like I needed to dumb it down and say, use this once a week for 10 minutes. Don't ever use more than that. Use, you know, after a shower, like, you know what I mean? And I feel like it just doesn't do that because I'm just like, what, like, I don't know, y'all. So let me know how often to use that. The next thing on the list, which I actually have tried already, is the Caffeine Solution 5% plus EGCG, whatever, like, what is that, you know? Reduces appearance of eye contour pigmentation and puffiness. I don't really have puffiness, but I was just like, I don't know, let me just buy this because I'm starting to get a little bit of wrinkles underneath my eyes. So I was like, let me try this out, you know? Why not? So this is only $6.70. I realized that I didn't even read the price. Everything is basically under $10, you guys. Caffeine Solution plus the EGCG, whatever that is, which has been shown to help reduce the look of puffiness and dark circles around the eye contour. Benefits: helps to reduce the appearance of puffiness and dark circles around the eye area. Like, okay, y'all said how much? pH 4.50 to 5. Why, you guys, this is just, like I said, a whole interactive video. I have so many questions for you. Why does every product say pH? Like, is that necessary to know pH levels of things for your face? I didn't know that. I thought it was for like inside the body. So I'm getting so lost with this. I feel like I'm like in a science project right now, and I hated doing science projects in school. So I'm just feeling really dumb right now. Anyways, the next thing is the hyaluronic. This is what I know. Okay, I don't know when to use it, but this is what I know. This is the hyaluronic acid plus B5, a hydration support formula with ultra pure vegan hyaluronic acid. So this thing I was actually really excited to get because I didn't tell you guys, recently I actually got a filler for the first time, and the doctor or dermatologist, I don't know what they're called, that did it said that it was hyaluronic acid filler, and I'm supposed to go back in like a month to get another thing, so I don't want to show you guys yet because honestly I can't tell a difference. He said it'll take like 10 days to see any type of difference, but I would need to go back in a month to get more. But that's hyaluronic acid, so I was like, oh, okay, I know what that is. So I wanted to purchase this because I was like, hey, maybe it'll help my skin some more. So this says hyaluronic acid plus B5 from The Ordinary is formulated with a combination of low, medium, and high molecular. Oh my God. Y'all are gonna laugh at me reading this. Oh my God. Molecular weight hyaluronic acid, as well as a next generation hyaluronic acid cross polymer at a combined concentration of 2% for multi-depth hydration. This system is supported with the addition of B5 for enhanced surface hydration. Benefits: replenishes lost moisture, maintain healthy looking skin, and provides enhanced barrier support. pH 6.5 to 7.5. You see what I'm saying? I cannot be the only one who wants to try these skincare products out but reads it and is like, what? Like, honestly, if you guys didn't even tell me to purchase these products on live, I would look at them and be like, I have no clue what this is. I just feel like it's a little too technical. It's a little too scientifical. Is that the right word? It's just, I don't know. This to me, I'm lost, y'all. Reading this has me even more confused. So I have these products. Oh, duh, I forgot the last thing, which is the Natural Moisturizing Factors plus HA. This is also with hyaluronic acid. Well, it says HA, so I'm assuming. So this actually has dermal lipids and hyaluronic acid as well as amino acid in it. Y'all, the more I'm reading these products, I'm getting a little discouraged to even use this stuff. I am so lost with all of these things. Let me go ahead and read this last one to you, the Natural Moisturizing plus HA. Y'all, I have used this already, and I actually like it because it's very non-greasing, so I feel like it's good for everyday wear. This is the one and only thing that I'm comfortable using because everything else I'm like, what? So this says Natural Moisturizing Factors from The Ordinary is a cream formula which offers non-greasy surface hydration that acts as a direct topical supplement of NMF components. What is NMF? Like, y'all, what? Elements that keep the skin well hydrated. I do like this so far though. Replenishes lost moisturizer, maintain healthy looking skin, and provide enhanced skin barrier. What is barrier? Anyways, pH 6.50 to 7. Y'all, I was discouraged to use these products beforehand, and now actually reading all of these out loud to you right now, I'm even more discouraged. So if any of you can help me with this, please let me know in the comment section below. This is so difficult to read. I'm like, what? I need to know, like, should I not be using these products together? In which order should I be using them? Should I use them every day? Should I use them every other day? I need so much help with this. So if y'all know anything about The Ordinary, if you guys know anything about skincare that has these types of ingredients, please let me know in the comment section below because I'm counting on y'all. Like, I'm really counting on y'all. I literally Googled everything already because I wanted to know in which order, and that just did not help. It furthermore confused me. So let me know in the comment section below, and I will be reading it, and I will greatly appreciate any help. And in a couple weeks, I will do like a, updated type of video to let you guys know what regimen I'm using, like in which order I'm using them, and to let you guys know how well they're using. I would like to do that, but I need your guys' help first. So anyways, y'all, help me out, okay? I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scout.